If Facebook send you a message saying this is a security alert from Facebook, we think that someone may have access to your Facebook account, so we have locked it to protect you. Don't panic. I'm gonna show you step by step how to get your Facebook account back. The first step is to go and open Facebook from a device that you have recently used. It could be on your phone or on a browser on your computer. Doesn't matter. You might have to enter your login details, and then you get a message like this where you will need to pass through a few security steps to unlock your Facebook account. Now I'm gonna walk you through the steps to unlock and recover your Facebook account. Basically, Facebook would give you a few security steps to complete. So click on or tap on select security steps. To be able to confirm that this is your account, you can select any of these three options, and one of the safest option is WhatsApp. So select WhatsApp. Make sure your WhatsApp phone number ending is correct, because if someone has hacked you, they might have already changed your phone number. Then select it and then select next. Facebook would then send you the code to your WhatsApp, and then enter the confirmation code and then select next. This is one of the most important steps. First of all, the device that you logged in and your main account is already confirmed and hence unlocked. Now check any of these suggested accounts and make sure that they belong to you. For example, Nomanvio and Practical Tech Fixes are my Instagram pages, so they do belong to me. But if you see any account that doesn't belong to you, it's important to check the box in front of that account in order to remove its access of your account. So the reason why Facebook locked my account was because of my Threads profile with the same name as my Instagram profile, which was automatically created when I created my Instagram page, and it has been automatically selected and has been removed from Meta's accounts center, which I presume is a glitch by Meta, which is Facebook itself, which is fine because I don't necessarily need an access to my Facebook account using the Threads page. So once you have selected the unauthorized account, select continue. Then it will give you a list of accounts that will be staying in your accounts center. Again, make sure they all belong to you, and it has removed one account from my accounts center, and from the symbol you can tell it is from the Threads app, and funny enough it also belongs to me. So no doubt Facebook has made a mistake and this must be a glitch. You can always select learn more, which would then explain more what would happen to the account that has been removed. You can pause this video and read it in your own time and then select continue. This is a very important step to make sure that if anyone has hacked you and added their own email IDs and phone number, so you will need to make sure the email IDs and the phone numbers in here are all belong to you and you still have full access to them, because even if the email ID is yours, it might have still been hacked. So just make sure you have full access to your email IDs and then select next. And if any of the emails or phone numbers is not yours or is being hacked, select the box in front of them and then select confirm, so that Facebook would remove it from your account. Otherwise, if all the phone numbers and email IDs belongs to you, then select don't remove anything. Again, here it would show you a summary of your contact info, and you should never share any of your login info by email, phone, or messaging to anyone, including Facebook. And then select next, and here it is. And now Facebook account has been unlocked. Also note, you will be automatically logged out from your Facebook account from other devices. And if someone has access to your account, you should definitely go and change your password, because it means someone has already knows your password and were able to log in into your Facebook account. And then click on back to Facebook, and now you would have full access to your Facebook account as well as your Facebook pages. And then I went and opened the Threads app and it was already logged in. And as you can see, I've got the same username that Facebook removed from the accounts center because it found it suspicious. So if Facebook automatically selects one of your own accounts to remove, don't worry. It's usually just flagging a recent login or app sync that the hacker interacted with. So even after Facebook remove it, you won't lose your account. You can easily link them back together